Hello, Cosmic Explorers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the mysteries of the universe. In today's video, we delve into the insights of Andromedan Contactee Alex Collier. If you're as passionate about unraveling the secrets of the cosmos as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for regular updates on our galactic adventures. And remember, we host a live webinar 3 times a month on a Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, so be sure to visit the link in the description for more information. But for now, here's today's video.
If Enki is bringing the original DNA for all of us to receive, which I'm assuming will be placed in a holographic healing machine, does this activate a full strand of DNA, which then allows us to ascend easier and faster, or manifest easier and faster? Or what exactly does this mean to us spiritually? Thank you, and it was fantastic to meet you at the conference. That's Pamela Hoffman.
Hi, Pamela. Thank you. I don't have the answer to that question because I don't have the data myself. I don't know everything. I want to, but I don't. I don't have that piece of information yet. That could be something that we will know soon enough, shortly maybe. I think we need to understand that it's one thing to know how it works and how it's going to change us, but it's another thing to be able to apply it in practice in giving it to humanity. That's an entirely different thing. And the reason I say that is because as we have and begin the full disclosure of everything that's been going on here, one of the issues that's going to come up is the medical industry and the pharmaceutical industry. The level of betrayal we are all going to experience. I don't know that I have the words to actually fully allow you to comprehend it. There have been cures for cancer. There have been cures for all kinds of diseases, natural cures, that were not only suppressed, but they were buried, forgotten, burned, just so a group could make money. Humanity has been allowed to suffer. People have been allowed to die. Children have been experimented on so they could make money. When the full extent of it comes out, there won't be any glossing over it. There will not be. It's going to be very, very difficult because it was intentional betrayal. They know that. They know that. Some of them are from the future. They know what's coming. So to implement something like this, knowing that it's real and that it's true, there are things that are going to have to be dealt with first. And then, of course, there's going to have to be a rebuilding of trust as well. I don't know what that looks like yet. I don't.
huge appreciation for your service and sharing with humanity, Alex. I was at the conference and felt a huge shift in energies and activations from each of you speakers, and those in the audience brought. It is my thoughts that collectively we shifted hugely in response to the circle of souls present. Can you speak about this energy frequency and how we can all process these new energies for the benefit of our entire planet and system?
I would agree with you, and it's no accident that this happened in Orlando, which is touted as the happiest place on earth. Of course, it's bullshit. And, as we learned more and more about what was happening underneath this whole area, it only made sense that we erect and we plant a pillar of light. I also want you to think about this. Many, many people that were there have always wanted contact. They've seen the ships, but they wanted contact. Now, even though you yourself may not have actually spoken to, shook hands, or bumped into one of these individuals, you were no less in the presence of them. You were absolutely in the presence of these incredible beings who left their home systems to travel all the way here to not only assist, but come down from where they were to walk amongst us. What does that tell you about the energy that was created? What does that say to you about the frequency? What does that say to you about your presence being there? What it says is that you are absolutely necessary and that you are absolutely in the right place at the right time because you were meant to be there. Those beings are at least fourth density. Some may have been fifth. They walked through the crowd. They know how to shield themselves, make themselves just, not so observable, but nonetheless, they left a frequency with all of us. It says a lot. It says a lot about who they are, and it says a lot about who you are. You're never going to be the same again. I'm not. I'm never going to be the same again. And I know stuff. But I'm different. I'm different.
As we come to the end of today's cosmic journey, we hope you're leaving with a mind full of wonder and curiosity. If you've enjoyed this video and believe in the importance of sharing Alex Collier's messages, please show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon. This simple act goes a long way in ensuring that this knowledge reaches others searching for these cosmic truths. Also, remember to leave your thoughts, experiences, or questions in the comments below. We do read all the comments. Until next time, keep looking up and questioning the universe. Stay curious, fellow cosmic explorers. If you would like to see Andromedan Contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live webinar 3 times a month on a Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information and dates of upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org. Please click on one of the above videos to seek more of Alex Collier's knowledge.